Good morning. Let's make a coffee. I know I look scary. Sorry. I had to wash my hair and put some eye mask on because your girl's bags are bad. They're bad. Anyway, water. I've already had my protein coffee this morning. I'm gonna make me a regular coffee, and then we're going to clean the cabinet above my couch this morning. I cleaned the cabinet above my couch because that's where I hold all my cups and the boys like safes and stuff. Anyway, it's a hot mess. It's driving me crazy. I've thought about it since I made my water video the other day and got it cut down, and it needs to be done bad. So we're going to clean that and then finish getting ready to get Lola to her groomer's appointment. This is the coffee I like to use. The blonde. Delish. Splash of milk. Sugar. Well, y'all keep asking that y'all want to know the story about how me and my husband met. I've already made a video about this before, but it has been a while and I have a lot of new faces, so I will. But just know that we literally met and 2 weeks later we got married. No shit. Alright, now I add the extra creamy cold foam. I don't always do this. I started doing this because I love the taste of cold foam, and I was like, you know, it goes on hot coffee too. And it does, and it's good. Voila, coffee. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, let's clean. This is the cabinet that needs to be cleaned. Honestly, my other one probably does too, but that's for another day. I don't got time for both of them. We're gonna work on one at a time. Y'all think that we should do like morning coffee talks? Like we make coffee together and y'all ask me, I answer questions that y'all ask me all the time. Y'all think we should do that? Y'all let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea. Maybe we'll start having morning coffee talks. All right, let's get this shit done so I can go finish this. I don't have a problem, you do. These are all my cups. I actually have more than this. They're just in the other cabinet. We use these for when we have cookouts and feed the crew outside. They're top notch, okay? We got them at Sam's Club, coming in a 2-pack. Best things ever. You ever played this game? It's actually really fun. This is all homeschool stuff. They'll ask me a lot about homeschool stuff. We do school every day, no matter what, even on the weekends. Well, I take that back. Sundays we don't do school, but we do school Monday through Saturday. And that's also because if we have travel day, a lot of the days on travel day, they don't do school. So doing school Monday through Saturday makes up for those days that we do have travel day. But anyway, if y'all have more questions about that, let me know and I can do like a whole thing on it. But we do use a program called Excellus, and it's online program, but this is some of like just regular books, and I have a lot more than that, but we don't really use a whole lot of workbooks, mainly just for writing, math problems. So some of that stuff actually needs to get taken away because there's like babyish books in there from when they were in kindergarten and we were doing school. So oh, this is the window film. Y'all see on my cabinets? Those were see-through. I bought this window film off of Amazon, cut it to the length of the windows, and I covered all the cabinets. They're not see-through anymore, and I absolutely love that, and I highly suggest you to do that if you do have cabinets that are see-through in your camper, because nobody wants to see all your shit. I mean, we don't really have company, but if we did, they wouldn't see my shit. Each one of my kids have their own safe. This is where they keep their money that they earn from like the kids got money from working at our land, like helping digging holes and picking up rocks and picking up sticks and trash and stuff like that. They earn money from that, and then like Christmas money, birthday money, stuff like that, and then they save it, and then usually during the summertime we take them and they get to pick out whatever they want and spend their money however they choose. Yeah, but they love this, and a lot of them save up their money like all year, and then they buy one big thing. It's a great teaching method on top of how to save money. Only 3 of my kids are good at that. Other 2, not so much. They be trying to spend that money every chance they get, and I'm like, this is a learning process. Be patient, young grasshopper, be patient. More. And I think my mom's the one that bought those that like a couple years ago for the kids' Christmas, like one of their Christmas presents. I'm pretty sure she got them off Amazon. but they can set their own code and everything. And if they forget their code, it's easy to open. And you already know. Alright, I'm gonna go through this so I can get rid of some of these. Like, we don't need this no more. That they won't read anymore. So I'm probably gonna donate those. Like my first grade, they're not even in first grade. My first grade writing, all these are done. All right, and the fly fans actually go outside in our belly of our camper, so those need to go out there. But ta-da! It's clean, it's done. I gotta go finish getting ready so I can get my pretty Lola girl all groomed up. All right, hope you have a good day and we'll catch you later. Bye!